All right, you guys, so we are at the Govee booth here at CES, and this place is every gamer or smart home lover's dream. So check this out. Right here, we have like a full-blown home setup with a ton of the new products that Govee's coming out with. If you guys aren't familiar with Govee's game, they are like the industry leaders when it comes to smart lighting. They've got tons of different products and so much flexibility. We'll talk about that later. But we've got a lot of cool products here that we gotta go check out. Govee's got this new floor lamp. This is their floor lamp 3, and this thing just looks amazing. So obviously we've seen lamps like this, these floor lamps that can have ambient lighting against your wall. We have a couple of them in the studio, but this is really cool because it gives you that nice accent light. But look how futuristic the base looks. You've got like a triple light setup here where you've got the lighting at the bottom, in the center over here, and then of course, with the actual lamp portion. So this thing looks really cool, but they've also got this lantern floor lamp, which obviously you can see why it's called the lantern. And you can get multiple colors, even though it looks like it's like one giant bulb, which is really unique. But what's great about both of these is that they support Govee's newest features and technology called Lumen Blend Plus. But with Lumen Blend Plus featured on these new lamps, you're just going to get a lot more out of them than you would with like a different kind of floor lamp. Now you guys gotta check this out. So these are Govee's new ceiling lights. This is the Ceiling Light Ultra, and this one over here is the Sky Ceiling Light. This guy right here is about 5,000 lumens, and we've got 5,200 lumens. So the brightness for a room through the roof. Like let me show you guys. So this is it at just like 20%. Like 50 and 100. Is like the sun. Now I can't keep it there, so I'm gonna bring it back down to like 20%, and I'm gonna show you some of the other things that this can do. Now inside the Ultra, we've got over 600 LEDs, which means really cool effects like this. What's that look like, Oscar? A sunset. Those LEDs allow you to make like digital images right from your light. So not only is it functioning as a light, but it's also kind of like art. And right here, you've got like an astronaut in space. I've never seen anything like it, but I feel like I need this at home. So that's the Ceiling Light Ultra, but then you also have the Sky Ceiling Light. Now, this of course is meant to like emulate like natural lighting, right? So if I wanted to go and control this one, I can jump in here and let's say I wanted to feel like, you know, really warm. Maybe it's like the sun setting, is like golden hour. I can kick the brightness up something crazy. This is only like 60%. And at 100%, it's just wild. I feel like we would love this in the studio where we could just like fake natural lighting. You said where? It's pretty dark over there. This would be awesome. On top of your desk. We're gonna keep going. All right, so behind me, we've got like the perfect display to show off that Lumen Blend Plus feature that we have on those floor lamps. And this one gives you an idea of just like the range of color temperatures that you get with this new Lumen Blend Plus feature, as well as just like the color accuracy that you can get from the lamps, which leads to way more flexibility. So come check it out. So products that have Lumen Blend Plus have access to Govee's new color reproduction algorithm. And what you're looking at right here are the same color, but because Lumen Blend Plus is way more color accurate, you can see that it's dialed in to look exactly like the color that we're seeing on this tablet. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see for yourselves how different these two lights look and how much closer this guy looks to the color on the screen here. So that's the extra color accuracy you're getting out of the Lumen Blend Plus. But another one of the capabilities we get with Lumen Blend Plus is this ultra wide color range when it comes to picking like your white color temperature. So on this side, you'll see all of the typical white temperatures that you'll see in a home, whether that's like 2700 all the way to 6500. This one is kind of cycling through those. These are normal colors for us. These are what we're used to seeing in homes, but this is what the extended range looks like. So as you can see, it says 1000 all the way up to 10,000, which is like a way bigger range than what we typically see. And what that looks like, all the way on the 1000 side, you've got just this deep warm color all the way to like a really bright white. That's the 10,000. Now we also have a color accuracy meter at the top, so we can take a look and see right here exactly what kind of values we're getting. So if we want to use that to check the reading, boom, you guys see it right there. So it says 10,145. Like that is insane. And if we go all the way down to the warm side, look at that. So basically what all of this means is the ability to dial in and get the exact colors that you want out of your lights and a little bit more. So Govee's been working on this, but also some really, really cool implementations of AI. But before we get to that, you guys gotta check this out. So in that same area where we saw all of the products that can go into like the home, there's this one feature that they're calling Day Sync. So based on the time of day, it can change the temperature of the lights to what best suits that time of day. So if it's time to wind down, it'll be warmer. So all of your lights can basically run on the same preset and your home feels really cohesive. I mean, look at it. It's like rainbows right now, but still pretty cohesive. Look at that. Date night vibes right here. Now over here at the booth, they've also got a section dedicated to their new AI Lighting Bot 2.0. Now this is really cool, but I think I want to show you guys how this works back at the studio. Okay, so we mentioned some of the cool features coming to Govee lights over at CES, but what do they actually look like at home? Well, I actually got access to some of the new lights and the new features a little bit early, so let's check them out. And of course, the most obvious would be behind a full desk setup. So I've got a Govee light strip mounted all across this desk from the back all the way to the side. And what we gotta check out here is that new Lumen Blend Plus feature, which is kind of dope. So with some of those harder colors to produce, you have access to them here. And for me, my favorite color is teal, so I can really dial in the color and get the exact shade that I want, and I love that. Let me just show y'all what that looks like here. So I can go down and then I can pick right around here-ish. And I mean, just look at this. This is my jam over here. This is exactly what the whole UAC vibe is all about. And I love this color because it reminds me of my honeymoon with Ari. The water was like just this color. It was pretty amazing. So it's not only looks good, it's a little romantic as well. Aren't I a charmer, Gene?
Blue is not that romantic.
Gene, what do you mean it's not romantic? Look, let me show you. Hold on. Look at that. Tell me that's not romance right there.
My bad.
Yeah, take it back. Now, some of those harder to reach colors that you get access to with Lumen Blend Plus, they actually have a color wheel so you can, kind of pick the ones that you want to see. Obviously, I like my teal and blues, but then you got like the purple sides, the pinks. Like you can really move it around, but they're in the lighter version of these colors, which tend to be harder to replicate. Now, of course, if you go to a normal color wheel, you'll see how much deeper those colors are as you go around the wheel. But another benefit of this whole Lumen Blend Plus feature is being able to keep this kind of color accuracy even when you decrease the brightness. With other light strips, when you start bringing down the brightness, as I'm gonna do right now, you start to lose that color. But as you guys can see, as I'm going way down, it still looks like the same teal that you saw at 100%. And this kind of precision and control that you can get with these lights are all thanks to Govee's upgraded algorithms. But something else that I want to talk about in terms of like accuracy is their new RGB to white blending. And we've already talked about the extensive testing Govee has done to make sure these lights are extremely color accurate. And let me just show you what that actually looks like. This is like your typical white, right? But you bring this thing all the way down to 1000 and you're not just getting a warm light, you're getting like a deep orange, whereas on the other side, you get this really bright white where you get that hint of blue. Kind of reminds me of like fluorescence in a diamond. I'm going off topic, but you get that hint of blue in here with a really bright white. So you get really warm and this really cool color. And that's that mix of like that RGB over to the white. So all of this typical stuff that we're used to, plus you get those bigger, deeper colors on the other ends of the sides. And of course, within the app, you have different lighting effects with those Lumen Blend Plus colors as well. I mean, you can see the effects and the colors for yourself. These look really awesome. So we talked a lot about these Lumen Blend Plus features, but we gotta talk about the AI features as well. All right, you guys, so this room is what we call our Zen bedroom. So there's a very clear theme here. There's a lot of greenery. It's a place to relax. And this bed right here is completely lined with Govee's light strips. And there's some like really crazy things you can do here with AI. So using Govee's AI Lighting Bot 2.0, I can basically talk to it and have it do a specific feel or color scheme based on my requests. You know, this is a Zen bedroom. Let's just make it a Zen colors, right? Make a Zen theme, something with greens and yellows that is calming, but also gives me some energy. Just conversational. I don't know really what I'm asking for, but the AI is gonna figure it out and make a theme based on the request you just heard. All right, so I'll design a Zen theme lighting effect with soft greens and gentle yellows that feel calm.
Your Zen theme is ready.
A soft green and warm yellow gradient breathes calmly across the strip, while small glowing clusters gently pulse and drift to add a touch of energy without breaking the serenity. Enjoy the balanced, refreshing feel.
Yeah, let's kill some lights, you're right. And that's dope because it has the greens, the yellows, it's got a rotating effect while also having a pulsing effect. So there's like a few layers to what's going on here. And that was just all created based on what I asked for. Now, let's say I wasn't trying to match this theme, right? Let's try something else. Can you make one half of the strip red and one half of the strip blue?
Your strip is now half red and half blue, evenly divided with solid colors and no animation.
And this makes sense because I didn't start my strip in the middle. I started it over there, but it is still split down the middle. That's actually pretty, yeah, look at this.
Look good in my angle.
From your angle, it's split right down the middle, right? Add an effect where the lights come towards the center. So like the red travels down its half and the blue travels down its half.
I designed two inward flows, red on the left half and blue on the right half, each moving toward the center with a smooth medium speed.
So this is actually insanely cool and it's inspired me. I'm going to have to readjust the light strip. I'm gonna have to take it down and then put it in the middle so that I can ask for these kind of effects and they can actually look really good. Let me turn on the lights. And this, my good people, is why we do these real world tests. So I can tell you what mistakes not to make when you're setting yours up. I gotta say, this is like the coolest thing I've seen come to like the smart lighting world. Like I've never seen anything like this. And this is like genuinely awesome. Now we saw something else that you could do with this AI bot over at CES and it was actually really cool. So you can have the AI generate images. What you're seeing right now are the Govee Curtain Lights Pro. And because there are so many lights here, it can use the AI to generate an image of whatever you choose and have it displayed across the lights. I actually asked the AI bot to make a robot flying over the city and you guys can see the results for yourselves. So you can get pretty creative with this. It's pretty awesome. It's all really, really cool. And I'll of course have links to everything down below in the description, but Govee's really killing it. From the crazy range of products, the new features, they're gonna be crushing this thing for a long time. And of course, if you guys wanna check them out, I have links down below in the description, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. We've got a lot of CES to talk about. Till then, peace. I want the jean special.
Still blue.
All blue.